Hey guys, I got a fish on, the fish that I was trying on my camera. I'm pretty excited to see if we're gonna have some great footage on the camera. Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. I am super excited with my brand new GoFish cam. This is a underwater camera. This is gonna be my first time using it. All right, so I got my leader here. So the camera also comes with this bubble here, which is a pretty cool thing. It even has its logo here, GoFish. All right, so it goes up here. Oh, actually, I'm gonna turn it on before I put the bubble. I'll have my bubble here. Yeah, and the lens is gonna be facing the bottom. So we got the camera here. That's how it's gonna walk. It's gonna face down, and also I have the light shiner here. All right. There we go. I think that was a nice cast. Just gonna leave it here for a few minutes and then we'll check on it later. All right. Hey guys, I got a fish on, the fish that I was trying on my camera. I'm pretty excited to see if we're gonna have some great footage on the camera, how the resolution and everything is underwater. Let's check it out. Let's see what kind of fish it is. I'm pretty excited. Please don't forget to leave thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit the button, and let's see the footage. Let's see how well it works. I'm pretty excited. Yeah guys, I think it's a big fish. It's sinking the whole thing, the whole bubble. Yeah, I think it's a huge one. I'm using this huge rod here. That's just because of my camera. I didn't want to lose my camera, and I have a 65 test braided for the main line, and for the leader I have the 20. Wow, look at that. Wow, that's a huge one. Check it out guys. Look at the size of this baby here. Wow, I want to see if the footage is gonna be perfect. Just gonna take this hook out of here and we are all set to go. There we go. Pretty excited. My brand new cam, my brand new underwater cam. Hopefully we're gonna have some very good shots. Just being careful with my camera here. All right, there we go. So here is the fish that I caught using my brand new GoFish cam. When I get home, I'll check the footage, and hopefully we're gonna have some nice shots underwater. Yep, this is the camera. This is a GoFish cam. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, leave your thumbs up, share it, so that way you guys gonna help my channel. So as I said, today I was trying my brand new GoFish, and hopefully I'm gonna have some very good shots on the water for you guys. All right, I'll see you guys later.